Oh Lord, open my lips, and my mouth shall declare your praise. Oh Lord, open my lips, and my mouth shall declare your praise. Oh Lord, open my lips, and my mouth shall declare your praise. Oh Lord, come to my assistance. Lord, make haste to help me. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, is now, never shall be, world without end. Amen. By the riverside of Babylon, by the riverside of Babylon, there we sat and wept when we remember Zion. On the polar that grew there, we hung our harps. Sing to us, they say, one of Zion's songs, one of Zion's songs. Oh Lord, how can we sing? Impossible. The songs of the Lord in an alien song. Okuku Calabash, Okuku Calabash energies, and Akaotule, offer power, authorities, manifestation, to destroy all Orakwuo, Uchu, Orakwuo, 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 then Uchu, 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 uncleanness, to destroy all Orakwuo, Uchu, uncleanness, Orakwuo, Uchu, uncleanness, in mind, in soul, in spirit, for negative energies. And some people cast Orakwuo, Uchu, uncleanness, they cast it like a curse spell against the innocent, against families, generation, ancestries, against a country, against so many places. They say in their group, all they do, they cast Orakwuo, Uchu, uncleanness. They bring them inside the house, inside the building, in their various works, in different places. Orakwuo, Uchu, uncleanness. They are cursed. They are cursed. They are uncleanness, and they evil use Orakwuo, Uchu to manifest. Asi, A-S-I, in Igbo mean lies. I-L-I-E-S, lies. They use Orakwuo, Uchu, uncleanness to manifest Ihala, I-G-H-A-L-A, Ihala. And Ihala in Igbo means false. Things that are false and fake. They use them to manifest. They cast it in their room, in the hallway, in different places, in buildings. They rub it everywhere, physical. You see like the stains and all the stains, dirty stains. They put it there. Then to invite their negative energies, their evil spirit, their negative energies to stay there with them. Then they can manifest. When you argue with them, next thing, they go to their altar, go to their group, pray against the person, and cast Orakwuo, Uchu, uncleanness. And anybody with Orakwuo, Uchu, uncleanness in foundation, in body, in mind, in soul, Eh? Then good energies, because good energies, they hate Orakwuo, uncleanness. So if you are possessed and having Orakwuo, uncleanness in mind and soul, or they cast them like a curse spell against you, then good energies start going away from you. That's the reason why they do that, because they know if they cast Orakwuo, uncleanness in you, in body, in any place, their evil spirit stays there. Then start tormenting the innocent. To destroy the foundation and the source where the Orakwuo, uncleanness are coming, both physical and spiritual, yeah, and the possession and the altar, to destroy and wipe them off. Yeah? I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitter colors, male dog, nketa, male dogs, obago, utinku chicken, 4 he goats, baby powders, cosmetic soap, destroy and turn all of them upside down. Their altars, both physical and spiritual, and the possession and the negative energy possession and the powers, destroy and turn all of them upside down. And where they might struggle to rise again now in the future of future generation, both physical and spiritual, or where they might struggle, people might struggle to build the altar or to assemble, to block all the places and block all of them. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitter colors, able ngeda blocking, Chuku and Ndota walls, all colors blocking, uncountable rabbits, build physical and spiritual giant walls, block all of them. I block them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And the ones in building, in homes, in foundation, in hallway, like stains, to cleanse and wipe them off and cast them out, the negative Orakwuo, uncleanness, curse. I use all animals, roosters, hens, all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goat, agama lizard, owls, grasshoppers, orange sugar, pepper soup, burning incense, burning sage, sanitizers, sanitizers, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colas, wipe all of them off, cast them off. The negativity is there. The curse, Orakwuo, uncleanness, negativities they used to manifest, and the negative energies there they are bringing in, cast all of them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. The ones in the body, the mind, and soul, cast all of them out. And the one they cast in people's soul, the innocent soul, like a curse put against them, to wipe them off. I use male cow, female cow, 33, burning incense, burning sage, 22, 33 kola nuts, water, okra, and in all foundation, they bringing it like a curse spell and like a sin against the innocent, like allegation, to cast them off, and to cleanse and wipe them off. I use them, cleanse, and put autopsy and magic wand, cleanse and wipe all off, out on Chuku justices, Akodi, Aja and Uku, Aja and Anta, higher and lower justices, Unre, Aja and Unre justices, Aja and Owa, worldwide justices, Aja and Yesioku, truth justices, all the justices, physical and spiritual, Supreme Court justices worldwide, and Supreme Court USA justices, cleanse and wipe all off. And the one they pull like a government against the innocent, to continue to take care of all good that's supposed to come to them, and banish the good that's supposed to come to the innocent. The ones they put against the innocent like a garment clothing, like awolo, to take them off, and in all places they put it, in rocks, in trees, in buildings, in places, to take them off and cast them off. I use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goats, agama lizard, owls, grasshoppers, orange sugar, pepper soup, cast all of them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Prayers skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, abyss, based in USA NATO science and technologies, transfer to all for free. Yeah? We use water, boil eggs, drinks, beer, wine, cigarette, weed, all that goes into the body that are good to welcome these energies, their power, authorities, manifestation into our body foundation, science and technology. So Modibi, he say, Sanko chief priest, Peter Odira Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief priest what? Chief priest USA. USA.